Hey guys, it's Alco Destiny here, and today is not Wednesday, but like I said on my other vlog, that today is the fireworks, and it's not time for them just yet. In a couple hours, we should be going up, and I'm just gonna walk around, and I'll vlog the fireworks. Yeah, that's my brother. He's playing Black Ops 2. But yeah, we'll vlog the fireworks, stuff like that. Just letting you know that we're gonna probably vlog the fireworks. Said that a lot. But yeah, I'll definitely vlog the grand finale because that's just the best part, you know. But yeah, just giving you a reminder, and yeah, it's been Wednesday's Destiny. Peace.